If you want to create your brochure very quickly and free, use this tool called canva.com. It's a free online tool. Make an account over there very quickly, and all you need to do is to click over here and type in brochure, and you can see all the company brochure wedding or the template you want. Let's go with a simple one and scroll down and click this price to be free. And now you can choose your brochure. Let's go, for example, with this one, and you can see the front and the back of your brochure. Okay, for example, we want to change image. Go to photos, and let's say and just drag and drop it over here to change the image. To change the colors of these ornaments, just click over here and change it to be, for example, lighter, and this one to be. And to change text, click on it and change text. To change this icon, go to elements and type in leaf, for example, and choose graphics. And now if I delete this and choose this over here, drag it, resize it a bit, and put it in the middle like this. Also change the other side as you wish. You can print these 3 folds, but it will cost you. With Canva, you can always go here, download, and download PDF and print it at your home or business. And this is it. Thanks for watching.